So I'm camera. I said low. Right. I'm just loading in. Catty. I wonder what Flessy's experience was. Hey Flessy, play Adam Cat again. Do it again. Meow. 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 You sing. I'm going over the table. You're not my ma. Yeah. Oh no! Oh no!
Finish here.
Oh no! Granny hit the frying pan! Granny hit the frying pan! Granny hit the pan! No! Help me!
Finish here.
Help me! Help! Help me!
Finish here.
Help me! No! I'm gonna close my bedroom.
It's an ash count.
What is he saying, man? Sorry, Grandma, I don't know. Oh my God, no! Oh my God, this is thrilling. I can't breathe. I'm out of breath. Yeah. What's he on the phone? I'm gonna take all my food out. Oh no! How's she not mad? Oh. What's my missions? I guess that just takes me to my Horizon home. Well, don't press exit game then. I've learned. Don't press the exit game button. Look at it. These because we should leave the game. Catty? SD new folder. Why does this just feel like Diddy Gods? This feels like I'm wearing a mech in Diddy Gods. Just like, bro, you can barely move from that thing. Hello. Yeah, I'm gonna get Granny to pick me up. I'm going to poop in Granny's face. Yo, Granny! Yo, Granny! Granny! Yo, Granny! Poop go! Yo, Granny! Oh, God, no. Mikey! Let me out! You bow before me! Yeah! Get off the table! Oh my God! I have my teeth!
Is it an asking?
Oh my god, no! Oh my god, she's going fast! She's going fast!
Is it an asking?
Oh my god, oh my god. Thank god she's not upstairs. Thank god she's
Is
just...
it an asking?
Oh my god, no! Help! Help me! Help me! Help! Help! I'm in hell! I'm in hell! Oh no. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm in Granny's hands. Just gonna have that carpet. Then we're gonna go to sleep like nothing happened. And then pop every single balloon. I'm gonna get out of the cell first. You guys know how much I love cats. A lot. I need help. Get off. No. I'm going upstairs. Well, there's barely anything up here. Ooh, piano. I can play this. What? I want a round of applause. Give me a round of applause. Okay. What's that? You don't look good.
Oh, what?
God, my God, my.
Oh, what?
Scratch sound.
I want it.
Oh no. Give me that.
Run this year.
She's coming!
You're going to for me.
Oh my god, no! No! Oh my god, no! Jump! Oh, Granny can't get here. Oh my god! Gotta get that balloon. Well, haha. Yes! Oh no!
I want it.
I heard you, Granny. I'm behind you. I'm scratch the sofa. Scratch the sofa. You get away with this. I'm the only cat in the house.
Is it Oscar?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I scratched your sofa! I scratched your sofa! I scratched the sofa! That's what I did!
Is it Oscar?
This game is hell. This game is hell. I'm in hell right now. I scratched the sofa. You know what? She asked for it. I'm scratching her clock. She asked for it. Oh, my head is 4%. Oh my god. I had to escape Granny. I had to escape Granny. No. I'm gonna pop every single balloon in the house. I'm gonna pop every balloon. My brother's gonna hate this. But brother, if you're watching this, I'm a kaboom. What that? Oh no. I'm gonna get that. Do that and fall asleep. Get that. Smash the painting and fall asleep.
I want it.
There's 20 more
I
balloons.
want it.
Seriously, there's more? Please don't see me, please don't see me, please don't see me. Yeah. Yeah. Comment down below what would you like me to do in the next video. Would you like me to punch Grandma around her face, shove poop in her nose, or anything? Just anything. Scratch her, like so yeah, make sure to smack that subscribe button, Charlie Gray, make it disappear into the thin air, and smash that like button, make it party around, and then it'll stop.
See you for one missing.
What the? That's her teeth. What 50% out of this? Love you, Nan. Love you, Grandma. Love you, Grandma. Oh, I didn't go that. I didn't go that. I was doing a headshot. Oh my god. Yes! Finally got it. There's got to be more. There's still some more. Oh my god, I want to make a trip. I want to make a trip and fall face first. I'm gonna get in a hospital. Meow. Run. She's in pain right now. I made her faint. I want to make her eat poop. I want you eat cat food. Yeah, I want to figure out if you like cat food. Oh god. No! Please. I want to figure out if you like cat food. I'm not giving you the coin. I'm not giving you your coin.